Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get your MetaMask recovery praise. So it's really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you're on the right or the official MetaMask website. And once you're here, you do have to make sure that, of course, your MetaMask extension is already installed. And once you've enabled it, you will just have to look for this button right here, which is the three lines, and then go ahead and click settings, and then look for security and privacy. And what you will have to do is you will see secret recovery praise under the security section. So just go ahead and click manage recovery methods, and once you're here, you will just have to click reveal, which on the secret recovery praise, and you will just have to enter your password, and then of course you will write down the 12 words offline. Paper is safest, by the way, and then you will of course store it in a secure place and use this phrase only if you need to restore your wallet. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.